Hi everyone, I am Nikita. I welcome you to Rodha. So, this is a short video for our upcoming batch R6 where I'll give you all the details about the batch. Some of you already know me in case you've attended my editorial analysis sessions or RC techniques and practice sessions on YouTube. In case you haven't, don't worry, I'll introduce myself in due course. Now, for the batch. So, our classes for R6 will begin on April 28. However, you can enroll in the batch right now. The enrollments have already begun. So, you just need to go to our portal, rodha.co.in, right? And there you can enroll, right? Now, let me introduce you to our amazing team. So, this is our team, and for this batch, Quant Ravi sir will take up, VRC I'll take up, and Apur sir will take up LRDI. However, you will interact with all our faculty members through workshops, revision sessions, and we also give you video solutions for various tests. So they'll also be recorded by all our faculty members. So we have Swapnil sir for Quant and LRDI, Tarun sir for Quant and LRDI, Ayush sir and KD sir for VRC, right? So you will interact with all of us in the course of your batch, right? Now, let us dive into the timeline, the faculty, your general queries about the batch. Okay. So, the timeline, as I've already told you, the batch begins on April 28, right? Your syllabus is expected to be finished by the last week of August. At least for VRC, I'll finish it within the last week, right? And the booster for all your sections, okay, so you will have a VRC booster, Quant booster, LRDI booster, and this is included in your comprehensive batch. This will begin from mid-September. What do we offer here? You will have a lot of practice sets, a lot of practice RC. So these will be your practice months, right? September, October, November. So we'll practice a lot, and we'll go for some moderate to difficult level RC sets or LRDI sets, because by then you would have already practiced and taken tests. Okay, so the idea is to push you a little extra. Right, so this is the timeline. Now, coming to the faculty and class timings, as I've told you, for QA, Ravi sir will meet you 4 times in a week, okay, from 5 to 7 pm. For LRDI, Apur sir will see you 3 times a week, 8 to 10 pm. And for VRC, I'll see you 3 times a week, again 8 to 10 pm. Now, you already know Ravi sir, yes, he needs no introduction. Apur sir again is a highly experienced faculty. He has been teaching CAT and various other OMETs for the last 8.5 years. So very experienced in terms of what comes in the exam, what is the difficulty level, what should the pedagogy, the teaching approach be, right? So you already know about these people. Now, a little bit about myself. So, I have been teaching management and law aspirants again for the last 8+ years, right? In the year 2023, I went to pursue a master's in teaching English to speakers of other languages from the University of St. Andrews in the UK. This has given me a lot of insights. काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला वहाँ पर, right? And अब मैं वो आके implement भी करती हूँ अपने vocabulary sessions में, grammar sessions में, right? So all in all, it was a very enriching experience for me, which I intend to pass on to you as well. Okay, prior to this, I have a commerce background, so I have done my undergrad from SRCC and my postgrad from DSE. Okay, and in these 8 years, I got the opportunity to take a lot of tests, a lot of your entrance tests. So, over the course of time, I have secured a 99.9 percentile in CAT, in ZAT VRC, in NMAT language skill section 111 on 120. I was really happy about it. And in SNAP again, 14 on 15 in the general English section. So this is about me as a teacher. In addition, I love to read, of course, I love to write. I also love to draw mandalas. So that's a bit about me, right? I'll also take you through my pedagogy. मैं पढ़ाती क्या हूँ, कैसे पढ़ाती हूँ. That's my teaching methodology. उसको pedagogy बोलते हैं, right? So I'll also take you through that. Just stay with me. Okay. Now, So a lot of queries regarding this come up. Classes live hongi या recorded hongi, so you will have live classes, right? But the recordings for these will be available to you. They will be accessible to you for any session that we take, चाहे वो workshop है, revision session है, main class है, कुछ भी है, right? So recordings will be available and they are accessible to you till January 10 2026. तो आप उसको कितनी मर्जी बार देख लो, till January 10 it will still be accessible to you, right? We'll use English as the medium of instruction, so Hindi plus English. So I'll switch between the two languages depending on your comfort level, right? So this is called translanguaging, something that I again learned on my course, when we, switch our languages depending on our listeners, our learners' comfort and their mother tongues, right? So I'll translanguage with you. Okay. ऑल्सो आपको ये फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है कि आप बैचेस शिफ्ट कर सकते हो. सो इफ़ यू एनरोल्ड इन R6 विद अस, बट लेट्स से आपको थोड़ा सा बीच में ज़्यादा टाइम मिल गया एंड यू वांट टू फिनिश द सिलेबस अर्ली, सो यू वांट कि ज़्यादा रिकॉर्डिंग्स आ जाए मेरे पास और मैं जल्दी से देख लूँ वो. सो यू कैन गो टू R5, R4, R3, R2, R1. सो यू कैन शिफ्ट बैचेस around 4 to 5 times it's possible. You just need to mail the support team and they'll do it within 24 hours, right? So a lot of flexibility in terms of moving, shifting batches, right? So that will not be a concern. Also, although we recommend that you take the comprehensive course, because in the comprehensive course we don't just teach you for CAT, we teach you for XAT, NMAT, SNAP. There are a lot of revision sessions, right? And also in terms of the number of questions, sectionals, material that is available to you, so it's quite comprehensive. But in case, let's say you're a repeater and there's only just one section that is a problem for you, we also offer individual courses to you. And again, individual courses में भी वो flexibility है, वो shifting वाला, that you can move to another batch if you feel like, right? So these are the features of the batch. नाउ अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हैव दिस कंसर्न, बट फिर अच्छा बस कैट तक ही पढ़ेंगे क्या, उसके बाद क्या होगा, सिलेबस खत्म हो जाएगा, उसके बाद क्या होगा. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू अबाउट द बूस्टर, राइट? सो सितंबर से हम बूस्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे, बट हम अगेन आपको जस्ट कैट के लिए प्रिपेयर नहीं कर रहे हैं, वी आर ऑल्सो प्रिपेयरिंग यू फॉर योर ओमेट्स. सो NMAT, स्नैप का क्रैश कोर्स स्टार्ट हो जाएगा एंड दिस इज ऑल इंक्लूडेड इन योर कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव बैच, नो एक्स्ट्रा फी एज सच, राइट? ZAT क्रैश कोर्स, अगेन जैसे ही कैट till 2 days before CAT, we go for CAT booster, right? And once that is done, then we go for all our OMETs, right? So ZAT का भी crash course होगा, so that you are with us till January. जब तक ZAT नहीं हो जाता, so तब तक आप हो हमारे साथ, तब तक आप हमारे से पढ़ते रहोगे, ठीक है? और इस बीच में ऑफ कोर्स वर्कशॉप्स, अ लॉट ऑफ, सो आई एम ऑलरेडी टेकिंग सम RC वर्कशॉप्स फॉर आर एग्जिस्टिंग बैचेस, राइट? रिविजन सेशंस विल हैपन वंस अ कॉन्सेप्ट इज डन, and mock analysis. So we'll analyze a lot of mocks together because analysis is very important, right? So if you want to succeed in CAT or even these OMETs, then what is important for you? Live classes. So attending live classes, asking your queries there, right? Or in case, let's say you're a working professional, आपके पास उतना time नहीं है, then watching recordings consistently. ये important है. Then what is the next thing that is the most important? That is test taking. Okay, but a lot of students stop just here. A lot of students, let's say, would do just these two and they think it's enough. No, analysis is something that is paramount, that is extremely important once you've taken a test. If you don't analyze your mistakes, how will you improve in the next test? So that's why what we have done is we are offering you video solutions for all your mock tests. तो जो भी गलती हुई उसको देखो, क्या गलती है उसको समझो, पैसेज को समझो, सेट को समझो, राइट? एंड ऑल्सो वील कंडक्ट एनालिसिस सेशंस. तो हम एनालाइज भी करेंगे टुगेदर कि ये कैसे अटेम्प्ट करना चाहिए था, इसको छोड़ना चाहिए था, नहीं करना चाहिए था, all those things, right? So it's a comprehensive, the name itself, the name speaks for itself. Comprehensive है ये पैकेज. Okay, अब मटेरियल में क्या क्या है आपके पास? So in total 9,000 plus questions with solutions, right? They'll be made available to you, they'll be accessible to you. Now we'll send you 12 physical booklets which are delivered within 10 to 15 days of your enrolling, right? And इसमें VRC भी है, Quant भी है, LRDI भी है, ठीक है? 30 full length CAT mocks, right? And 105 sectional tests. So a lot of material in terms of just mocks and sectionals for practice, right? So let's say even if you take tests in the last 100 or 120 days, right? Even if you do that, So this is ample material, right? In fact, Ravi sir says this, and I second him, that in the last 100 days, I think one sectional every day benefits you like anything, because it's very manageable to take one sectional every day, right? And it holds very important information for you in terms of where you stand in that section. आप उस section में कहाँ stand करते हो, आपको sectionals बहुत अच्छी तरह बताते हैं, right? So that's why a lot of material in the comprehensive course made available to you. और बाकी NMAT के mocks हैं, SNAP के mocks हैं, ZAT के mocks हैं, right? So we haven't left any stone unturned in terms of ensuring that we provide you the most comprehensive material package out there, right? Okay. Now let's talk about pedagogy. I'll primarily talk to you about VRC, right? So basic to advanced, this is not just what we write on our posters, this is something that we implement. Okay. So for example, what do I mean by that? So I'm sure if you've seen the pattern of CAT, you know that 2/3 of your paper VRC section is RC passages, right? Now, in RC passages, the kinds of questions that you've been getting, in case you've taken some paper, right, in case you've taken the last year paper as a sample, as a mock, you must have realized that a lot of them, they ask you questions such as strengthen the author's argument, weaken the author's argument, what can be inferred from this, okay, why has this paragraph been written? Now, all of these kinds of questions, they fall under the category of what we call critical reasoning, right? So they are testing your reasoning skills, right? And they are testing your analytical, in a way, how analytical you are. So we don't just solve a lot of RC passages in the class. We go to this technique, we go to this logic that is being tested in your RC passages. So we'll also practice critical reasoning with you, right? तो हम जैसे हम start करेंगे कि short paragraphs में we'll start with short paragraphs, right? एक छोटा सा paragraph लिया, उसमें हम ये देखेंगे, okay, how can I strengthen the argument made in this short paragraph? How can I weaken it? And from these short paragraphs, okay, then we'll develop the skills to solve full RC passages. So this is just one example of what I mean by basic to advanced. Another could be, for example, if I talk about your CAT RC passages, they come from some specific sources, very international sources, interdisciplinary sources. So we'll talk about from where to read, to develop those skills to solve those RC passages, how to read an RC passage, how to read in general when you're reading editorials, what should you read, what genres should you read, all of this we'll discuss. Okay, so that is why I'm calling it basic to advanced. Okay, so you just have to trust the process. If you are with me, right, if you attend your sessions regularly, if you solve the kinds of questions that I ask you to on a consistent basis, then I assure you आपका VRC बहुत अच्छे से improve होगा. अगर अभी वो weak भी है तो भी हम 95 percentile तक तो target कर सकते हैं अगर आपका VRC weak section है. अगर वो आपकी strength है, then trust me, our aim, and this you can see in the testimonials of our previous year students, our aim is to make you reach 99 plus percentile, right? और अचीवेबल भी है वो. नाउ वर्बल एबिलिटी की बात करते हैं. सो वर्बल एबिलिटी इज द काइंड्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस लाइक पैरा जुम्बल्स, पैरा समरी, पैरा कंप्लीशन, जो कि आपने देखा होगा अगर आपने प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स देखे हैं कि 8 क्वेश्चंस पिछले कुछ सालों से आपके यहाँ से आते हैं, राइट? सो पैरा जुम्बल्स में ऑप्शंस भी नहीं होती कुछ में, राइट? फिर पैरा समरी, आपको एक छोटा सा पैराग्राफ देते हैं, आपको उसका समरी बताना होता है. सो दीज काइंड्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस अगेन हम इनके लिए भी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. सो व्हेन वी प्रैक्टिस क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग, दैट विल ऑल्सो कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिस प्रैक्टिस. सो वील हैव सेपरेट सेशंस फॉर दीज, राइट? एंड अगेन एफर्ट होगा कि हम अपनी अरेंजमेंट, लॉजिकल अरेंजमेंट स्किल्स इंप्रूव करें. बिकॉज ये क्या है, ये अरेंजमेंट ही तो है जब हम पैराजम्बल्स की बात करते हैं, राइट? हम अपनी एसेंस ढूंढने की चीज़ों की, उनका मेन आइडियाज़, की आइडियाज़ ढूंढने की स्किल्स इंप्रूव करें, राइट? देन इसमें क्या टेस्ट होता है पैरा कंप्लीशन में, मेरी एंटिसिपेशन इन रीडिंग कितनी अच्छी है. क्या मैं ये गेस कर पाती हूँ कि इसके बाद क्या आएगा? क्या मैं लिंक बना पाती हूँ 2 सेंटेंसेज में कि अच्छा ये इसलिए लिंक्ड है, राइट? सो all these skills we will develop in the sessions. And a lot of students think अच्छा तो मतलब बस VA और RC, because CAT में तो यही आ रहा है अब, verbal ability जो मैंने question types बताए और RC passages. But see, ऐसा नहीं है हम OMETS की preparation बाद में ही start करेंगे, and ऐसा नहीं है that there aren't other areas that don't help you in your verbal ability and your RC passages. See, if you don't have good vocabulary, if you don't have good grammar, how will you read, right? How will you read dense RC passages? How will you understand them? Okay, so vocabulary and grammar are also important pillars of learning your VARC, even though let's say CAT has not been explicitly asking questions on vocabulary and grammar. तो हम इनकी भी प्रेपरेशन करेंगे और हम डे 1 से करेंगे इनकी प्रेपरेशन. नॉट दैट कि अच्छा कैट के बाद ये तो बस ओमेट्स में ही आते हैं तो हम तब स्टार्ट करें. नो. So I'll practice vocabulary with you from day 1, right? We'll give you resources to learn vocabulary words, right? We'll in fact assess where do we stand in terms of vocabulary. There are standardized tests that can help you decide, that can help you know that where you stand. आपको कितने high frequency words आपके brain में हैं, right? बहुत simple tests होते हैं ये, right? I suggested to my students right on the first class of vocabulary. और फिर हम उसके हिसाब से decide करते हैं कि हम कितने vocabulary words अभी मुझे और learn करने हैं. And अगर आपकी vocabulary काफ़ी weak है, which is absolutely okay, तो उसके हिसाब से फिर मैं आपको रीडिंग मटेरियल सजेस्ट करती हूँ, राइट? एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई लर्न ऑन माई कोर्स. अभी जो मैं करके आई, दैट देयर समथिंग कॉल्ड ग्रेडेड रीडर्स. सो बहुत ही अच्छे अच्छे रिसर्चर्स हैं, बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं जिन्होंने, अगर आपकी वोकैबुलरी वीक है तो बहुत सारे नॉवेल्स को, बहुत सारी बुक्स को अडेप्ट कर दिया है ऑन एन ईजियर लेवल, ताकि वो आप भी पढ़ सको. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड ग्रेडेड रीडर्स. सो इन केस आपका वोकैबुलरी वीक है और आपको लगता है ये बुक्स मैं जो अभी रेकमेंड हो रही हैं कैट के लिए नहीं उठा सकती एकदम से, नॉवेल्स नहीं उठा सकती, नॉन फिक्शन नहीं उठा सकती एकदम से, तो हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई मीन, राइट? बेसिक टू एडवांस. धीरे धीरे हम ग्रेजुअली अप्रोच करेंगे एडवांस्ड, राइट? तो ये तो हो गई बात वोकैबुलरी की. अब ग्रामर सेशंस पे आते हैं. आजकल मैं कुछ ग्रामर सेशंस ले भी रही हूँ एग्जिस्टिंग बैचेस में. तो कैट में ना वो नॉट एग्जैक्टली कैट बट ओमेट्स में भी, जैसे कि एनमैट हो गया या जैट हो गया, दे वोंट आस्क यू ओके विच टेंस इज दिस सेंटेंस इन. यूजुअली आपसे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते थियोरी बेस्ड या सिंटैक्स बेस्ड जिसको हम बोलेंगे. वो रादर आपको ना सेंटेंसेस देंगे और कहेंगे उसमें एरर्स फाइंड आउट करो, राइट? वो पूछेंगे व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे ऑफ राइटिंग दिस सेंटेंस. वो बोलेंगे फिल इन द ब्लैंक और फिर ऑप्शंस में कुछ कुछ वर्ब्स दिए हुए होंगे. सो इट्स वेरी एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड और यही मेरा अप्रोच रहेगा आपके साथ ग्रामर का. Very application based. So we will learn through questions. Okay, that's something that I always find very interesting. It's called an inductive approach of learning. So I'll give you questions, I'll ask you to solve them, and then through your mistakes you'll learn, okay, this is the concept that is involved in this, right? And that is how thematically we'll build up our grammar concepts. So I find it a very interesting approach to learn grammar, and it it takes away the boredom that students find in rules, right? तो काफ़ी मज़ा आता है ग्रामर सेशंस में. प्योरली एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस करते हैं हम, और उन क्वेश्चन से हम कॉन्सेप्ट्स भी सीखते हैं बहुत सारे, राइट? एंड आई क्रिएट दीज क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू. सो मैं उसी अकॉर्डिंग बनाती हूँ कि अच्छा इस क्वेश्चन में ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट सिखाना है मुझे, राइट? सो yeah, so a lot of practice in class, a lot of practice for you outside class in terms of tests, okay, and a lot of workshops, revision sessions. बट एक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो स्टूडेंट्स के मन में आता है, क्वेरीज कैसे रिजॉल्व होंगी, राइट? ठीक है, क्लासेस हो गई, टेस्ट के वीडियो सोल्यूशंस भी हैं, बट उसके बाद भी तो कुछ क्वेरीज हो सकती है ना. सो सी लाइव क्लासेस में, राइट, इट्स एन इंटरैक्टिव पोर्टल. ठीक है, आप चैट बॉक्स में अपनी क्वेरी टाइप कर सकते हो, आपका डाउट रेज करने के लिए भी अलग से टैब है. तो लाइव क्लासेस में वी एंश्योर कि आपके मोस्ट डाउट्स सॉल्व हो जाएं. ठीक है, उसके बाद अगर आपको टेस्ट एंड ऑल में डाउट्स आते हैं तो उसके लिए वीडियो सोल्यूशंस भी हैं. उसके बाद भी अगर ऐसा है कि आपका कोई डाउट बच रहा है, देन वी हैव डाउट कम्युनिटीज़ ऑन आर पोर्टल. तो आप rodha.co.in पे जब एनरोल कर लेंगे तो आपको एक टैब दिखाई देगा, VRC डाउट्स कम्युनिटी. उसमें हमारे मेंटोर्स, देयर आर मेंटोर्स who are themselves 99 plus percentilers, they solve your queries, right? So we have such a community for every section, and उनसे आप इंटरैक्ट कर सकते हो, वो आपकी क्वेरी सॉल्व कर देंगे. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ऑल्सो, लेट्स से कुछ फिर भी बच गया, कुछ जनरल गाइडेंस का डाउट है, राइट? सो इन दैट केस हम टेलीग्राम पे अवेलेबल हैं, यू कैन ऑलवेज कॉन्टैक्ट अस. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द चैनल्स थ्रू विच वी एंश्योर दैट नो क्वेरी ऑफ योर्स गोज अनरिजॉल्व्ड. बिकॉज एज अ स्टूडेंट आई थिंक सबसे ज़्यादा जो मुझे चीज़ अनॉय करती थी वो था कि अगर मेरी कोई क्वेरीज अनरिजॉल्व रह जाए. सो एज अ टीचर आई एंश्योर कि ऐसा किसी भी स्टूडेंट के साथ नहीं हो, राइट? टू द बेस्ट ऑफ माई एबिलिटी. So this is my pedagogy for the various pillars of VARC, right? And this is how we resolve your queries. I have talked to you about material, right? The material and all the features of the badge. If you still have any queries, then you can always leave a comment in the comment section, and of course we'll respond. Okay? And these are the details for the individual courses in case you want to buy them. So here we have Ravi sir's QA course. Here you'll get access to all these resources. ठीक है, वही live classes, recordings, practice tests, physical booklets, 20 sectionals, quant booster again start होगा quant में अगर आप enroll करते हो. Similarly for LRDI, right? यहाँ पे practice sets काफ़ी सारे हैं. Okay, and similarly for VRC. Okay, so these are the details of the individual courses, but I highly recommend that you join the comprehensive course, because all these features, extra features like Nmat Snap Crash course, Zat Crash course, ये सब available उसमें नहीं होगा, right? ये सब comprehensive course में है. Okay, so this is it from my side for the R6 details for my pedagogy. कोई भी query है उसके बाद पूछ लो. I will keep coming live on YouTube for editorial analysis sessions, so you can watch me there as well. You can see the way I teach, right? And yeah, that's it from my side. All the best for your CAT and OMET prep. Bye bye.